Hi guys, Kevin Ebsworth here at kevinebsworth.com. Now I'm doing a quick video to show you that I found a really cool tool to use. Okay, this is a fantastic tool that a lot of people probably don't know about, or if they do, I've never seen them use it. Now there's loads of companies out there that use something like this, like Zoom, that charge you around about $19 a month. So you can get on a call for someone for about an hour before it shuts you down, and you can have as many people on there. I think it's like up to 100 people on there to do like a one-to-one coaching or one-to-many coaching, which you can live stream and all that as well. Well, I'm using a tool that does all of that, but it's for free. Now, a lot of you probably don't know about this, but I certainly found this out. I wanted to play around with it a little while ago with one of my students, and it worked a treat. Now, what I will say is that if you haven't got a Google account, I will suggest that you go and actually sign up for one. It's free. It doesn't cost anything to actually sign up to a Google account. Okay. And this comes with Google. So I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to actually show you. Going to allow the entire screen so you can see exactly what I'm doing and where to go. Just wait for this screen to show. Right, okay, so you can see that I'm sharing the screen now, so I'm just going to open up another page. Here we are. So we're on Google, and you've got all these up here on the right hand side, like Gmail, images, and then you have 9 dots in the right hand corner. Now as soon as you click on this, you've got loads of stuff that you get from Google. Okay, you have this is the tool, Google Meet. You click on Google Meet, and this is what it is. This is a premium video meetings, now free for everyone. Okay, so I think that this is amazing. It says get a link and you can share it. So you can share it to as many people as you like, schedule a meeting. Not one can join a meeting unless invited or admitted by a host. So this is a private meeting, but you can send out a link to join, like to get people to join you. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So to create a new meeting, you start a new meeting now. Yeah, I'm already doing one now. I'm recording. So this is what I'm using to record. So this is going to use the camera. So it's probably going to get a little bit glitchy now because I've got 2 bits of software use the same camera. Okay, so now you're on here and you're thinking to yourself, how do I use this? So let's get the little chat. So if you click on the right hand side over here, you chat with everyone, you get a little chat bar. Show everyone, you show everyone that's on here. So if you get a list of people all down the right hand side, you'll have the people that are down here. So you can have a lot of people on this course, on this meeting that you can do. So this is great. So let me show you another feature which is amazing as well. I think this is such a cool piece of software. So apply visual effects. So look at all these visual effects. I'm just going to put this one on. So I'm sat in the front room now. Or if I put this one on, sat in my office. Or this one. I don't actually know what this is, but it looks like it's somewhere up in space with, and it's all moving as well. So this one's out in Paris. And then you got under the sea, out in the Amazon. I'm just going to take the effects off now. Okay, so that's just the special effects side of it. So let's get the chat back up, show everyone. The other things are you can manage recording, manage streaming, change the layout. You can get full screen, open picture in picture mode, so you can have it as a full picture. Turn on captions, turn off captions. You can report a problem, report abuse, troubleshooting, or you've got settings as well. When you go into settings, you can set your microphone, your video. So in fact, on this microphone, you can have this so you can hold the space bar to unmute somebody. I'd rather not, actually. I'd rather let them come in and speak, or I can mute them up on the right hand side. The general settings, send additional diagnostics at Google. Yeah, leave that or leave calls empty. Captions, and you've got reactions as well, so they can make noises and all this as well. So if you like something, you can send out a little or a little laughter face, little sad face, or anything like that. So, you know, you can send all these things like you can do when you're in a live webinar. So for that, this is a fantastic little tool. I'm just going to stop presenting for a second so you can see me on full screen. Now, I've spent hundreds of pounds on recording software. So I use a recording software called XSplit, which is for gamers, but it's high res and it's crisp clear. This, if you're starting out, is a fantastic free product that Google actually gives you. So if you like what I'm showing you, please subscribe to my channel and please make the most out of this free software that Google is giving to you. Now, this is Kevin Ebsworth from kevinebsworth.com. So click on the link down below, kevinebsworth.com, and then come and sign up for a 7-part free course. I'll see you later, guys. Thank you for watching.